the prevalence of HIV. Kailangan ituro lahat yan para alam ng mga kabataan. Pero yung mga sinama nila ng mga woke na absurdities are abhorrent to me. And I'm already guaranteeing hindi pa napasa ito. Pero if this bill is passed in that form, I guarantee all parents, teachers, and children, I will immediately veto it. Thank you.
Nawalam kung tabu ang pag-usapan ng ganitong mga bagay, especially the things na tinatalakay ng bill na ito. Pero it doesn't really say anything graphic to be taught about sex or even masturbation. Walang ang word na masturbation in the bill. So where did they get that? Well, we'll get to that just in a minute. Now, ang tinutukoy nila ay ang nasa Section 6, page 9, kung saan sinasabi na CSE shall be integrated in the school curriculum, guided by DepEd and the international standards. And at nandoon ang pagkakamali ni Senator Risa Ontiveros, which caused all this backlash allegedly. It's just, naghanap sila ng objectionable thing or objectionable passage sa bill na ito, just so that the whole shtick at saka yung essence ng bill would not be passed. Pero they found section 6, page 9, where it said na CSE shall be integrated in the school curriculum, guided by DepEd and international standards. At nandoon ang pagkakamali ni Senator Risa Ontiveros. They could not have had the ammunitions if tinanggal niya yung international standards and just left DepEd as the primary guide. I mean, they wouldn't have this hysteria. Meron pang peer counseling at pag-involve ng ilang departamento ng gobyerno tulad ng DSWD and all that stuff at ng mga SK sa mga barangay. Hindi tinatanggal ang mga magulang sa equation, contrary to what Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno was saying sa video.